Welcome to today's e-learning session. This is Tirupati, lecturer in mathematics, SRR Government Degree College, Karimnagar. Our topic is Riemann integration. Before I am going to explain partition of a closed interval, let a comma b be a closed interval if a equals to x0 less than x1 less than x2 less than so on less than xn is equal to b. Then the finite set P is equal to set of x0 comma x1 comma x2 so on xn is called a partition of closed interval a comma b. The n plus 1 points x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 so on xn are called partition points of P. Here closed interval a comma b can be divided into n subintervals. The n subintervals closed interval x0 comma x1 comma closed interval x1 comma x2 comma closed interval x2 comma x3 so on closed interval xr minus 1 comma xr so on closed interval xn minus 1 comma xn are called the segments of the partition P or components of the partition P. The rth subinterval closed interval xr minus 1 comma xr is denoted by IR. Its length is equal to xr minus 1 is denoted by delta r. Norm of the partition P or mesh of the partition P. The maximum of the lengths of subintervals of a partition P, that is maximum of delta 1 comma delta 2 so on delta r so on delta n is called the norm of the partition P or mesh of the partition P and is denoted by norm P or delta of P. Therefore, norm P is equal to maximum of delta 1 comma delta 2 comma delta 3 comma delta 4 so on delta r comma so on delta n. A closed interval a comma b can be partitioned in infinitely many ways. The set of all partitions of closed interval a comma b is denoted by phi of closed interval a comma b. If p1 comma p2 b2 partitions of closed interval a comma b or p1 comma p2 belongs to phi of closed interval a comma b and p1 subset p2, then the partition p2 is said to be finer than the partition p1. The partition P2 is called a refinement of P1. Note 1. If P2 is finer than P1, then every point of P1 is a point of P2 and P2 has some more points. Second one, if P1 comma P2 are two partitions of closed interval A comma B, then P1 subset P1 union P2 and P2 subset P1 union P2. Therefore, P1 union P2 is a common refinement of P1 and P2. Third one, if P1 comma P2 belongs to phi of closed interval A comma B and P1 subset P2, then norm P2 less than or equals to norm P1. Fourth one, summation r equals to 1 to n delta r is equal to delta 1 plus delta 2 so on plus delta n is equal to x1 minus a plus x2 minus x1 plus so on plus b minus xn minus 1. Here x1 cancel, is equal to b minus a. Fifth one, as norm p tends to 0, then the number of points in P tends to infinity. Sixth one, if delta 1 comma delta 2 comma delta 3 so on delta r so on delta n be the lengths of subintervals of the partition P, then delta r less than or equals to norm P for r equals to 1, 2, 3 so on n. We discuss some example problems. Example 1. Let closed interval A comma B is equal to 1 comma 5 and P equals to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Find norm P or mesh P. Solution, let closed interval A comma B is equal to closed interval 1 comma 5 and P equals to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. The subintervals of P are I1 equals to closed interval 1 comma 2, I2 equals to closed interval 2 comma 3, I3 equals to closed interval 3 comma 4, I4 equals to closed interval 4 comma 5. Lengths of subintervals are delta 1 equals to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, delta 2 equals to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, delta 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, delta 4 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, norm P equals to maximum of delta 1 comma delta 2 comma delta 3 comma delta 4 is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Therefore, norm P is equal to 1. Example 2. Let close interval a comma b is equal to 0 comma 1 and p is equal to set of 0 comma 0.2 comma 0.3 comma 0.5 comma 0.8 comma 1. Find norm p or mesh p. Solution: let close interval a comma b is equal to close interval 0 comma 1 and p is equal to set of 0 comma 0.2 comma 0.3 comma 0.5 comma 0.8 comma 1. The subintervals of p are I1 equals to close interval 0 comma 0.2, I2 equals to close interval 0.2 comma 0.3 comma I3 is equal to 0.3 comma 0.5 comma I4 equals to close interval 0.5 comma 0.8 comma I5 is equal to close interval 0.8 comma 1. Lengths of subintervals are delta 1 equals to 0.2 minus 0 is equal to 0.2, delta 2 is equal to 0.3 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.1, delta 3 is equal to 0.5 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.2, delta 4 is equal to 0.8 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.3, delta 5 is equal to 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.2. Norm p is equal to maximum of delta 1 comma delta 2 comma delta 3 comma delta 4 comma delta 5 is equal to maximum of 0.2 comma 0.1 comma 0.2 comma 0.3 comma 0.2 is equal to 0.3. Thank you.